Hello, my beautiful viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. So today we are here again with brand new tutorial how to change the backdrop color with the subject with all will remain constant. Just only change the backdrop. It's very simple with some few steps. I just step by step guide you and you follow my each steps and watch the video completely to learn to see this how to make this. So while you are waiting, just jump in. So first we need to select our subject for making perfect work of drop shadow. So we need to select the selection tool. So first we choose this object selection tool and we apply it. It's a very simple and fantastic way. You can select your subject very smooth and it can save your time. I mostly use this much better and select very carefully, and somehow you can edit and customize the selection areas. It works perfectly. So now we don't need to waste our time. Just use this tool to save your time. And then click on the subject layer mask and just check all edges are correct and take the refine edge brush tool and make the edges perfect. Like here, I just make it perfect. And now we are satisfied. This is the perfect selection and we just going to make a copy of this selection layer. Just click, press Ctrl plus J to make a copy. And then go to the color adjustment layer and just find the solid tool and click on it. And choose a preferred color for your picture. And then change the blend mode to the multiply. Go to FX adjustment layer and choose the blending option, and then now just break the underlying layer handle. Oh, now come check this, it's much better. Click on color, now just check the magic and just change the color and wheel the color wheel and you can see different colors applying. This tutorial is presented by ZA Academy and you are requested a special request for subscribing and thumbs up and comments or like, share. Your support means a lot and you can encourage me to make better content and give much time for you people. So thank you very much for investing your time on my tutorial and videos, and this will make encouragement for me. So be creative, established. Thank you.